What's up, guys? My name is Sebastian Stratman. I hope you guys are having a great day and will continue having one. I was able to install the subwoofers. I had a little bit of help. It was a lot of work to do. So I will go ahead and give you like this spiel. We were able to, of course, wire it through the battery. That's what we're supposed to do. But it did take unhooking the ECU and reprogramming it and all kinds of other fun stuff that you need to do at a dealership. Luckily, I work at Nissan, so it wasn't too hard. There's a lot more connections, a lot more unknowingness trying to do this right. In like an old Honda, like I had my Accord where I had subwoofers in, that would have been a lot easier, and it was a lot easier. There was no way I could have done this by myself. So shout out to one of the technicians that helped me over at Nissan. But I'll show you how everything is connected and show you the subwoofers and the amp that I was able to get. So she was just waxed, so she's looking mighty nice. Engine bay is still a little dirty though, but here is the wire connecting everything. It goes all the way down through the firewall, of course. We have a little fuse box down there too, right there, so it doesn't pop anything else before it pops the fuse. And it's in a pretty easy location to be able to replace it or get another one. Here is the subwoofers that I got. These are dual 12-inch comp Rs. I actually got them from Kicker themselves. I'll post a little link or a little picture of what you can get. Mainly the reason why I wanted this box is because of this venting area. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but a lot of boxes don't come with this, and especially a box that you would make, it'd be a lot harder to get that vent. It is kind of sitting on nothing right now. It's just on the bottom piece here. I should put a board under it, and I will, but these things are incredibly heavy and I'm just really lazy. It barely fits in my trunk. You have to like really maneuver it in there. This is where the amp is located. It's gonna be kind of upside down. I'll show you better once we go through that little hole right there. All the wiring is all hidden behind it, so we don't have to worry about that. She's a little dusty actually. Oof. I haven't had them that long, I swear. Alright, so you go through here. There's the amp. It is a Rockville amp. It's 1,000 watt. I'll post the same link as well, or a picture or whatever. I first was kind of scared with going with Rockville, to be honest, just because a lot of people have said they're kind of a budget brand, but I think it's great. Honestly, I don't have any problems with it. Came in and it felt like quality. Doesn't feel cheap at all, so I'm happy with it, to be honest. And I didn't need to pay $1,000 for an amp, so I'll take it. It's actually vibrating the whole garage, but they're very loud, so I'm not turning them up too much. It does vibrate my license plate. Kind of a short video. There's not really much to say or show because you can't really feel the subwoofers in a video. But I like them. 10 out of 10 rating. Oof, I just waxed this. Come on. Sorry, I got a little bit of water spotting going on. God. I said that I was gonna fix the little chips here. I wasn't able to do it amazing, but we touched that up. We touched this up. It doesn't. Again, this actually probably looks worse. But I will be fixing these. They're looking a little bit better now, at least. I might just have to sand all the way around this and then repaint. But the other thing is my boss. I'll just do this. My boss actually said that he knows a guy that can wrap it for me. I'm thinking about either wrapping it like an incredibly glossy black or purple. I don't know, like what I was trying to do with the G35, but you don't see a purple Q70 anywhere. This is also my new fun. The subwoofers actually rattled my bumper loose, so I've got to figure out a way that I can mount that back on there. I tried to use a little bit of glue, but it didn't stick very well, so I'm gonna have to work with that somehow. In the last video as well, I said that I was gonna get some new tires. I did. I went with Yokohama Avid Ascends just because I'm planning on replacing the wheels anyway. I figure I'd go with a cheaper tire. I always go with Michelin's, but they're so expensive that might as well just wait to get Michelin's till after I get my new wheels. And I don't want to go cheap on the wheels like I was saying before, like I did with the G. I want some quality stuff. So I'm gonna save for the wheels, get some other things done, and then go for new tires and everything. The other idea is getting GTR wheels. That would be cool. I'm trying to figure out a way that I can get them. My boss has a GTR, so there's a possibility that I could get without his old ones. We'll figure it out. One last update is tomorrow, actually, literally tomorrow, I'm getting a chrome delete. All of the handles are gonna be painted black. All of the chrome in the front and on the sides are gonna be vinyl wrapped. All of this is gonna be vinyl wrapped. I'm not sure if I am just gonna debadge it or if I'm just gonna wrap it. I don't know yet. I might just paint those, but I'm also thinking about just taking it off to confuse people why my car is so big. I think it would be kind of interesting because literally since owning this, I haven't seen one other Q70. And to be honest, I didn't really know there was a Q70 before I had a Q70. It was a short video, but I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna try and update as much as possible. And I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll continue having one. Peace.